This is what I suggest. Before you go into the Yoga Nidra, get clear on what you want your intention to be. That way, you don't have to think about it once you get into the Nidra. And consider what it is that you want more of in your life, a direction, a vision, a place that you want to move towards in your life. You don't have to do it perfectly, but what is the direction you want your life to move in? That's what you want your intention to be about. Your intention should first be brought into your awareness at the very beginning of the Yoga Nidra, right after you close your eyes when you're first just beginning to relax. Then you're going to go into the depth of the Yoga Nidra. And at the point where you are either prompted or at the deepest point of the Yoga Nidra, when you feel like, wow, I'm deep, 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 then plant your intention again. Repeat it silently to yourself 3 times. As you're externalizing and coming out of the Nidra, you can repeat your intention silently 1 time again. This is at any point where you feel that you have come back to full awareness. So again, you're going to repeat it 1 time at the beginning, silently, 3 times in the middle of the Yoga Nidra, the deepest point, and finally 1 time at the end. The advantage of this is also if you happen to miss it in the middle because you were so deep, you have tethered it at the beginning and the end.